Namaskar, welcome back to Sakalya. Continuing our series on warm ups, today we will be doing standing to sitting warm ups. So, as you can see, right now I am sitting in Sukhasan. Now, from Sukhasan, we have to stand up, preferably without taking any support. If you can do it, well and good. Otherwise, as beginners, you can always take support. Now, we'll stand our feet a little bit apart. We'll again start with our neck. So let's do inhale, look up, exhale, down, inhale, look up, exhale, down. One last time, look up and down. Come back to the center. Now we'll raise our right hand, place it next to our left ear, and we'll give a mild stretch to our neck sideways. You'll feel a good stretch on your left side. So do as much as your body is allowing. Release. Let's do for the other side. Release. You can repeat this for a couple of times. Now, we will be doing full neck rotations today. So, let's start from the right side. Look towards your right. As you go down, chin to the chest, exhale. As you come up, inhale, left, back, right. Again, exhale. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you go down. Inhale as you come up. Come back to the center. Now let's reverse the rotation. Starting from the left side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Now this neck rotation you can do with your eyes closed, but if you are not comfortable, you may keep them open also. Next, we will work on our fingers. So stretch your hands, crunch your fingers, exhale, release, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Now make a fist. We'll do wrist rotations very slowly. Now reverse the direction. Now place your palms like this and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now place them sideways like this, in and out, in and out, in and out. Now place them down and up, down and up, down and up. While doing all these wrist rotations, try to keep your arm steady and straight. There should be no bend in your elbow. Now we'll do shoulder rotations. So place your right hand on your left shoulder and raise your left shoulder up. Inhale as you go up, exhale as you come down. Inhale up, exhale down. Try to make a full shoulder rotation. It gives a good stretch to your shoulder joint. Now reverse. Release. Now we'll do the same for the other side. Inhale as you go up, exhale, come down. Inhale and exhale. Now again reverse. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Shake off if there is any tension in your shoulders. Now next we will do Urdhva Tadasana. For that we will interlock our fingers, stretch our hands up and If possible, while stretching your hands up, if you can lift your heels, that will be really great. So inhale, lift your heels off the mat. Try to stretch your body as if somebody is pulling your hands. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now, keep your hands stretched only in Namaskar Mudra. Now we will do side bends. This is Tiryak Tadasana, also known as swaying palm pose. So you have to basically bend just from your waist, keeping your lower body straight. So inhale center, exhale right, inhale come back, exhale left, again right and left. If done correctly, this should give a good stretch to your sides or obliques. Now, from here, we will keep our legs apart. Depending on your height, minimum 2 feet apart will be good. Again, interlock your fingers, raise your arms up, stretch your body, keep your spine straight. Now from here, just turn your torso towards the right. Now, we will bend towards the right side. As we go down, exhale and come towards the left. Again, continue. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. We can now reverse this. From the left side, up towards the right. Again, from the left side, up towards the right. This gives a good stretch to your entire body. Now, keep your feet hip width apart. Take them closer. Make a Namaskar Mudra right in front of your chest. Now, inhale and exhale, go down. This is Malasana. Now in Malasana, your elbows should be locked with your knees and your spine should be straight. I'll show you sideways. We are here. Elbows are locked and keep your spine straight. Try to keep it erect. This is Malasana or garland pose. Now from here, inhale, come up, exhale, go down. Inhale, come up, exhale, go down. This is very good for your thighs and for your hip opening. Now, from here in Malasana, just sit back. Extend your knees a bit forward. Place your hands comfortably behind. Now we will do the hip flexor twist. So what we are basically doing is keeping our torso straight. We are just trying to touch both the knees on the mat. Again, come back up. Other side. This gives a good stretch to your inner thighs. Now, from here, come to Vajrasana. From Vajrasana, we will go to table. And now you know the correct alignments for the cat and cow stretch. So let's do the cat and cow stretch. Inhale, arch your back, look up. Exhale, hunch your back. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Come back to table. Now, from table, Stretch your right leg. Crunch your toes. Do ankle rotation one side, then the opposite. Now from here, extend your leg as far up as you can and bring it to your elbow. Right leg to the right elbow. Again up and down. Up and down. Now relax, place your knee down. Raise your left leg. Crunch your toes. Do ankle rotation. Reverse. Extend your leg up and touch your elbow, left elbow. Leg up and touch and touch. Now relax. Now we will make circles with our knees. So lift your right leg up and create circles like this. 1, 2, 3. Now we can reverse. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Let's do it for the other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now from here, tuck your toes. Lift your knees off the mat and come to Adho Mukha. Be there. Pedal your feet. Now from Adho Mukha, we will come to Ek Pad Adho Mukha or one-legged downward dog. For that, lift your right leg up as far as you can, and now we will bring the knee in between our palms. Relax the left leg, and this we come to Kapotasana or pigeon pose. From here, if you can extend your hands and try to place your forehead on the mat. Again, come back up. Go back to Ek Pad Adho Mukha and release. Similarly for the left side, Ek Pad Adho Mukha to Kapotasana. Forward bend. Again, come back to Ek Pad Adho Mukha. Now you can repeat this as per your capability. After this, come back to Shishupasana. Relax your breath. Relax your body. Take a few rounds of deep breathe in and breathe out. And we are done for today. Hope you will be practicing this. Till my next video, Namaskar. Namaskar. Welcome.